So this was a project I worked on a while back and kind of had stopped. It was done first in watercolor, and now I'm going to make it a mixed media by adding a Prismacolor art pens that I purchased, and I just thought it would be a little easier being I'm sitting on my bed doing this, not in the studio, too cold. So anyway, yeah, this was kind of relaxing and fun to do, and so I thought I would just show y'all. It's about 20 minutes long, this video, so if you want to skip through it, I understand. But it is kind of fun and relaxing to just, listen to the music and see how it progresses. So it's one of the things that I think is really good during this COVID time is to just have little simple projects like this where you kind of get lost in it and get your mind off of all the stressful things. The music kind of helps put you in the more relaxed mode. But so, it ends without me doing the background, but I do end up putting this dark blue background in instead of the light blue background, which really enhances the flowers and makes them stand out. Okay, erase what I just got through telling you. I am going to include the last final picture, so it will have the dark blue background, and you'll see the significant contrast and how it really makes the flowers pop. Thanks ahead of time for your like or subscribe, and if you care to leave a comment, I would love to respond to you. And so now I will be quiet and let you watch in peace. Thanks and blessings to you all. it.